Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video I will be going over how to change the default location of a return. After launching TaxTron, locate the Tools option at the top of the window and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This action will open the Preferences window. Within the Preferences window, go to the File tab and locate where it says Folder for Taxpayers Files. You will see an icon with 3 dots beside the file address of your current file, Save Location for Tax Returns. Click on the icon with the 3 dots and choose the desired location where you want to save your tax files. Once you have selected the location, click on OK and click on OK again on the Preferences window to save your changes. You are now all set to begin working on your tax files. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.